let's cut to the chase. If you're looking for a deck that's ultra durable, seamless, and ready to handle anything, you need to know about Polyurea. So Polyurea doesn't just hold up, it's almost indestructible. And it's waterproof for life. So no more water issues, no deterioration. That's why polyurea is used in parking garages, industrial floors, even marine coatings. It's built to take abuse and keep looking perfect. So, is polyurea right for you? If you're a homeowner who wants a bulletproof, low maintenance deck that never needs sealing, yes, this is for you. If you're a builder or a contractor who needs a fast, ultra durable solution for commercial projects, yes, polyurea is for you. If you're a business owner with a patio, or you got a poolside or a rooftop that requires extreme waterproofing and wear resistance, then absolutely polyurea is for you. If you're considering polyurea for your project, Ocean City Fiberglass can make sure it's installed right the first time. Still deciding? Reach out, ask your questions, and we'll help you figure out the best fit. And if this helped you, share it with someone trying to decide on their deck. It might just save them years of headaches. Thank you for watching this video. Feel free to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified every time we post a video just like this. And with that, we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.